Hi guys, here welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my personal experience about this new app called Mimoon. It's a new live streaming app for this 2026, and I decided to review this application. Okay, though I downloaded this app yesterday, and I want to talk about it. I don't want to hide this update for you guys. I don't really want to hide this update. I posted this update on my group, and I said, okay, let me just do a video about it to show you how it works and what you expect when you are using this app. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purpose only. I am not sponsored with Moon Life app. I'm just doing this video based on my personal experience. Okay, always do your own research before investing your money or investing your time in this application. Do your own research very well. Do your own research before downloading. You can go to your Play Store. Don't really know if it is available on iPhone yet, but I downloaded this app with Android phone. Okay, and this is how you can sign up successfully using this app. Either you sign up with your Google account or your Facebook or your phone number. Though all the country is available on this platform. Right now, I'm going to be using my email to sign up. You can actually use your email to sign up to. If you prefer phone number, it's okay. Okay. So now you can see that all control is available. Okay. If you like, use your phone number. If you like, use your email to log in. So let me just go ahead and sign up with my email account. So after signing up with my email, it's going to bring you to this interface. They're going to ask you to choose your gender, which is male or female. Be very careful when choosing your gender because after you choose, you can't be able to modify it again. It's like Purple and Nikki. We be say if you select your your gender, you cannot be able to modify it again. As you can see, they tell me that after submission gender, you cannot be modified. Be very careful here. I clicked on. Then you're going to bring me here. Okay, I wanted to change my name. You can edit your name, fine. Then this is how the interface of the app is going to look. Worldwide is available on this. And you can see Kenya, you can see um a lot of people. You can see that if someone if you someone invited you, it's better for use inviting link to join this app because you're gonna get the reward when you follow invite. Okay, make sure you follow invite. If you don't follow invite, you cannot be able to get invite bonus. Okay, so look at my account. The person that invited me just followed me. Okay, so which is actually my coin seller. Okay, so now you can see that this is the how you're going to see it. Let me just scroll down and show you something. Because this is party. People are already here making conversation. And this app actually look like Nikki. This is what I noticed. It actually look like Nikki. Like if you're on Nikki, you understand what I'm trying to say because I'm actually sharing my own experience about this app. Okay, when I posted this app on my group, some people came to me that they are not receiving the reward. There is no be reward for like when they didn't launch this app. There is one reward they are giving. That is 7,000 they are giving people when you are newbie. They are giving 7,000, but I'm going to be sharing with you what happened, why you are no more receiving that particular reward. You need to pay attention on this video because I'm going to reveal everything. Okay, now you are going to see that they're going to tell you to lock your moment, which you can actually share your moment here. Okay, so once you share your moment and the picture is very nice, so people can actually give to you on the moment if they liked you. Okay, so let me just go and discover some. This is the people that are sharing their their moment. Okay, I want to come out here. Okay, make sure you allow your app to record with you. Before you can start live, you need to verify your face on the live stream before going live. As you can see, Three steps to going life: make money. I don't want to put this particular way because of YouTube copyright. Okay, so to protect your account, please verify your face. They need to have verified your face. Okay, you can see that I don't change my name yet, but I'm gonna be go and edit my name later. And once the beans is here, you can able to see cash out, um, your cash out, that is your withdrawal method. Once you earn beans, you can able to see your withdrawal method. I think what is going to be here is actually USDT or bank account. It actually looks like Nikki Life or something like that. Okay, so let me just explain something for you. Here is the tax center. If you click on tax center, this is what you're going to see. You can see that the invitation reward. Make sure you download this app with you so you can get something. Okay, so which I'm going to be placing my invitation link down on the comment section, or if you don't see it on the comment section, look for it on the description. Okay, so you can see that they are now the base is now reducing. For if you are new member when this app came out, you will notice that they give people 7,000 if I'm not mistaken or something like that. But now they have reduced the beans, which I'm gonna be like now is my honest opinion. I'm gonna be sharing about it so that when you download this app, you will know what you expect. Not like once you download, you'll be asking where is the new be reward. No, I'm going to explain everything here on this video. Just pay attention. Okay, so you can see that this daily reward now is like solo life today 60 minutes. Is the base is 1,000. The base is 1,000 they're going to be giving you. Lucky gift reward. Once you receive lucky gift, you can actually earn 450 beans. This is how I just screenshotted something to send it to someone that just download this app. Okay, so let me scroll down as you can see, start live streaming and claim your reward. This is level one. They have level zero. That level zero is the people that are going to be like, if you haven't to do exchange, if you haven't do anything, this is what you're going to get. If you don't do exchange, 1,000 every day if you don't do exchange. But if you do exchange, you're going to level up to level 2. I think that's 1,005. And if you level up more, you will receive more reward on this app. Okay, I try to go to host center to know if there is any reward aside this particular one. Okay, because I just downloaded this app, I need to go and verify things and keep on recording to show you guys how this particular app looks like. Okay, because it's a new app. Okay, so I came out here, I see that daily as you can see, my verification is actually loading. Okay, I did a verification. Okay, and this is under review, so I need to go and upload my photo. It has verified already. I need to go and upload my photo, and now I'm going to be going to my gallery and select the photo I want to use. Okay, I have selected it already. Then I need to go back. I'll show you something. If you click on this game icon now, this is the game they have. You can see that they have different type of game, and people are already in that particular game playing games. Okay, you can see people that is there. You can see the number of people that is on this particular app playing games. Okay, maybe you are looking for where you can buy coins. I have my concealer that is selling the particular app. Okay, so if you need coins, you can join my group and I will send you the consular phone number. You will get your own coin. Okay, because once you join this app and you don't buy coins, bear it in mind that you're going to be streaming 1,000 for 60 minutes. You get, or you invite people on the platform. That is when you're going to increase your reward. But if you don't buy, it is your choice to make whether you want to buy coins or you don't want to buy coin. It's your choice to choose. Okay, so but if you want to play games, it requires coin, but it is not must. Okay, okay, so you can see that you can invite people and make huge uh beans, amount of beans for this place. Okay, you can invite people. As you can successfully invite 10 people, you're gonna earn this star invite reward, which is this thing sticker. They're gonna be, if you're on like me app, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so if you invite people, you're gonna earn beans more. I mean more. You're gonna earn beans because once the person you invited recharge, you're gonna get. And when the person reach 30 days, you can go to the app and read it carefully so that you can. Okay, so this is a new app, and anything you are doing, you have to be very careful. It's a new app because updates can change anytime. Maybe you're just coming across this video, or you come across this video. If you're downloading this app, bear in mind that there is no newbie reward again. Okay, everything is over 1,000. Okay, for those of you that's complaining that you don't receive your 700, the update has changed. Okay, the update has changed. I'm gonna call this video now. Thank you so much for watching, and see you my next video.